Pretty awesome, right? Screen mirror your Android smartphone, any Android smartphone to any MacBook. It doesn't really matter. It's completely free, it's wireless, you don't see any cables, right? It works amazing and you can do tons on this. You can even use your camera if you want to, so you can see it, right? I'm just gonna take a photo off the MacBook. I just took a photo. Opening up the photo, I'm zooming in, it works so good. Oh, and by the way, you can actually go full screen as well. So if I do this will go full screen. Pretty sweet, right? And in this step-by-step guide, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do this. So let's just dive right into it. All right, on to your Android phone. The first thing you wanna do is to make sure we are connected to the Wi-Fi connection. So tap on Wi-Fi, go to the settings, and you can see it, we are connected to the home Wi-Fi connection. Super important because we're gonna be using the home Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi that you're using onto your Android phone later in this video. So as you can see, I'm connected to my home Wi-Fi. Also, if you don't have a home Wi-Fi, you can always use the mobile hotspot. So in this case, you can just go into the connections. You can go into the connection and you can see it right there, mobile hotspot. Now, but be careful with the mobile hotspot, depending on where you live, depending on what data plan you have, this might cost you credit. So just be careful with it. Always recommended that you use your home Wi-Fi connection. So next up, what you want to do is to, on your Android phone, you want to go into the Play Store. So just tap on the Play Store and search for something called Android Cast, completely free, by the way. And yeah, so once you do that, just tap on download and it will automatically download it for you. By the way, all the links will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. So once you download the Android Cast, should be right there, see? And that is pretty much all you have to do on your Android smartphone. That is pretty much all you have to do on your Android. And this will work with pretty much any Android phone you have. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. But once you download the Android Cast, that is pretty much all you have to do. Now let's jump to the MacBook and let's do this. All right, so I promise you it's really simple. Just like we did onto the Android phone, we have to do the exact same thing onto our MacBook. So the first thing we have to do is to make sure the MacBook is connected to your home Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, I am connected right there, and it's really that simple. Now, once you're connected to the Wi-Fi connection, next up we have to download Android Cast, which is completely free for both the Android phone, just like we did earlier, and is completely free on the MacBook as well. So go to the browser, go to the link in the description box below. It's completely free. I'm not getting paid by these guys. Honestly, I absolutely love this app. It's completely free and I've been using it for as long as I remember. So go to the download page of the Android Cast and click on the Mac OS right there. Not the Windows because this is a MacBook. So just tap on Mac OS and it should give you the download option right there. See? Right there. It's really simple. Just double click on it and pretty simple installation. Now, as you can see, I've done it before, so I'm not gonna download it again, but just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. So let's just wait for it to download. So that way, by the way, if you have any questions, just comment down below. I'll definitely get back to you. All right, so download is complete. I'm just gonna go right click and show in folder. See, we have it right there. So to install this, all you have to do is just double tap on that. And once you double tap, all you have to do is drag the Android into the application bin. That's it. Now, I have done this before, and yes, that is probably the most simple installations you can do. So I'm sure you can do that. So once you do that, all you have to do is just close everything and right click and eject the Android Cast because we have installed it already, right? That is the most important part. Now, once the Android installation is complete, we want to do is to open up Android. Now, once you open up the Android, this is exactly how you should be able to see it on your MacBook. As you can see, we have a barcode and an actual code right below the barcode. Really simple, right? Now, once you see this screen, this is where the magic happens. Now, let's take out our Android, which in this case, this is my Android smartphone, and this will work with pretty much any Android phone you have, so don't worry about it. Also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you out. Okay, so onto the Android phone. The first thing we have to do is to check up if your Android phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, I am connected to the exact same Wi-Fi connection as my MacBook is connected to. So that is super important. Next up, we want to do is to open up the Android. Next up, we want to do is to open up the Android Cast. So remember, we downloaded earlier, so yeah. Yeah, I don't want the notifications, not really simple. Okay, so once you're at this screen, you have two different options. If you look closer, you can input the code manually, or there is a tiny scan the barcode option right next to it. So I'm just gonna tap on that, and I'm gonna change it so it doesn't scan. See right there, it's actually scanning. It will open up the camera, so it's scanning for the barcode, right? So I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna show you again. So on this screen, you wanna do is just tap on the little barcode icon right there in the corner, and it will automatically scan it for you. It was so quick, I couldn't even show you on the camera. It was so quick. Now, just scan it once and it will automatically ask you for the permission onto your MacBook. As you can see, it's asking me to, as you can see, it's requesting for casting permission. So all we have to do is just click on allow and give it a couple seconds and we should be connected. So give it a couple seconds. Oh, by the way, on your Android phone, it will ask you to share the entire screen or select an app if you have open. Just tap on the share entire screen, click share screen, and give it a couple seconds, and there you go. We are connected. That was pretty simple. And there's absolutely no lag. You can see the tiny bit lag. It's because it depends on how fast your internet connection is. Also, the lag will automatically go away within a couple seconds. So keep using it. It will automatically phase out the lag. So that's the important part. And we are pretty much connected. It's extremely useful for presentations, showing photos, anything you like. Now, in this case, it's pretty much simple from this point on. You can do pretty much anything you like. Now, earlier I showed you can use your camera. You can see it, right? I can take a photo. I'm just gonna take a photo, see? Took a photo, I can open up the photo. I can go full screen on a photo as well. See right there, see? I can go full screen on a photo. I can zoom in on a photo. This will work pretty awesome. I mean, yeah. So it's extremely useful. You can play games, although I am pretty sure there is a tiny bit of lag, but if you have a good internet connection, this will work perfectly. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Pretty simple, right? Also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely help you out. Now, the way you stop this is really simple as well. If you have AirDroid Cast, I mean, you would have AirDroid Cast onto your Android phone. Go to the AirDroid Cast. You can actually pause it at the end. You have a couple different options, but sometimes the options are premium because this is completely free. So this is what we get for free. You can actually pause it, but if you want to exit, all you have to do is just tap on the exit icon and it will ask you to end the casting. Click OK, and we are pretty much disconnected. Now, to do this again, all you have to do is just go to open up the AirDroid again. Once you see this, all you have to do is input the code. By the way, the code will be entered automatically once you do this, so you don't have to do it again. But if you want to, just tap on the scan barcode. So just tap on that, scan the barcode. That was super quick, and that is it. And give it a couple seconds and it should be connected. There you go. It's gonna ask you for permission every single time. So I'm just gonna tap on allow, and it will ask you on your Android phone if you want to share the whole screen again. See, we do want to do that. I'm just gonna tap on share screen, and there you go. We are pretty much connected. Super easy, right? Well, that's it for the video. I'm Riz, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a like to this video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.